Hi all. Well, I hope you had a good weekend. I hope you're able to help the mothers in your lives, no matter who they are, to enjoy their day. Uh, and let's continue our story of decolonization and what was going on in Algeria. First, couple of housekeeping things. You will be able to redo the mini unit 12 and 13 reading check tomorrow on Tuesday, and we will have another class discussion on Thursday. And make sure you're able to make it. If not, whatever the reason, no worries, you'll just have to complete the written discussion form. All right, so we have our same academic integrity and expectations. Again, this is individual assignment. As such, plagiarism includes having the same work as another student. All right, so what are we going to be doing today? Today, we're going to be looking at three primary sources surrounding the Algerian War of Independence. We're also going to be looking at this idea of decolonization or revolution. Note that using Friday's activity uh, may be very helpful, especially reviewing what decolonization, the idea of withdrawing from a colony versus a revolution where the colonist or the colonized, have a revolution and forcibly overthrow the colonist. All right. What may be particularly helpful is the timeline from Friday's activity to help you complete today's. All right. So what we're going to be doing, if like I said, three primary sources, uh, and then 5 questions. It is the same questions for each one. So, what do we know about the author? Does this document take place during the middle or beginning, middle, or end of the Algerian War of Independence? What is the main idea or purpose of this document? What evidence does the author give to support the main idea? And lastly, who is the audience of the document, right? So who's the target of it? All right. Uh, now, so again, the same questions for each of the three documents, but then we do have a closure question, and it's decolonization or revolution. Which is a better way to describe what happened in Algeria? Why? All right. So again, making use of Friday's activity would also probably be helpful with that. Again, remember what I'm showing you here is just the template. You do have your own version that has answered to these questions. All right. Uh, Otherwise, that is all for me. Remember, if you have any questions, please email me. Email us and take care.